Do I think we'll contact aliens in the future? I think so. I think so. I think eventually they'll get tired of our ass and want to destroy us. That's what I think, if you want to know my personal opinion. I think they'll finally just get tired of our ass. Say, look, man, these motherfuckers down there, they're aggravating us. Let's just off them. You know, like squishing on an ant. You know, just squish us like an ant, man. Folks, have you seen other planets and other suns out there in comparison to ours? Have you? Can you say shrimp of the fucking universe? We're the peon of the fucking universe, okay? Our sun, let's say our sun is this big, alright? Let's say our sun is this big, okay? Everybody else's sun is this fucking big. Okay? Get it? We're the peons of the fucking universe. If they wanted to come over here and kick our ass, they probably would. And they probably still will. Okay, so don't feel lonely. They'll probably get over it. They'll get around to us. It'll just take them a while. But they'll get around to us. See, the thing of it is, what takes years here on Earth to occur, it's only a few minutes to them out there in deep space, okay? You know, they're out there in deep space. It's only happening a few minutes to them. With us, it takes years, okay? And I don't claim to know all the mathematics behind that shit. I suck at math anyway. Point is that what takes them a few minutes is taking us years to occur, okay? That's how they're able to know everything we've been doing since 1910 or 1850 or whatever the fuck. In their minds, what happened back in 1776 is just as fresh on their mind as if it happened yesterday. Because our whole existence, from 1776 up to now, has only been a few minutes to them out there on the spaceship. Are you following this? Are you getting this? Okay? And it has something to do with time distortion and all this other bullshit that I really don't know that much about. Don't claim to know that much about it. Don't claim to be good at math. I suck at math. I admit that. Okay? But what happens years and years here on Earth has only happened a few minutes to them. So they've got to see within just a span of maybe an hour, let's say, they've got to see from 1776 right on up to the present day. It's all fresh in their mind. Okay? It's all still fresh in their mind. George Washington crossing the fucking river is still fresh in their mind. Like it happened yesterday. Because to them, it did happen yesterday. You understand? There's a time displacement thing going on. Okay? Actually, Ireland's patriot, there are quite a few people that just don't get it. There actually are. And that's why I repeat myself. That's one of the reasons why I repeat myself. The other reason why I repeat myself is so that you retain what I say. How do I know this? I know this because of all these, see all these fancy books back here behind me? Yeah. That's how I know that. Yeah, and it was on Discovery Channel too. And it probably was in a movie too, yeah. Probably all the above. But anyway, the point being is that, you know, I've been on this earth almost 50 years. I've learned a few things. I've heard a few things. I've read a few things. And then there's this picture. I get all those people, oh, Vaughn, there was no giants. There was never any giants. There was never any giants, Vaughn. Those pictures are all Photoshop, Vaughn. Those pictures are all Photoshop. Well, this picture is not Photoshop. And it's not photoshopped. It's not a joke. It's not a gag. It's not a scam. This is a real photograph. It was scanned and put on the computer from an actual camera. As you can see, the camera is in the man's hand. Or well, the case that the camera came in is in the man's hand. But yeah, this is an actual photograph. It has not been altered in any way. And so yeah, there, you know, so for those of you out there that says, oh, there was never any giants on Earth, yeah, well, there you go. Time for you to eat some crow, because that footprint makes it abundantly clear that there is. And like I said, that is not a photoshopped picture. That is an actual picture that was scanned into a computer. That is absolutely real. It's the only real one that I've been able to find, but it is real. So for those people out there that says there was never any giants on Earth, well, y'all now need to eat crow, because there was giants. Being big like that has an advantage, but it also has a disadvantage too, you know. I mean, you know, you're easier to hit. You're a bigger target, you know. I wanted y'all to see it first and foremost before anybody else showed it to you. But it is not Photoshop, it is not fake, it is an actual man walking up to the rock and looking at it and saying, holy shit, there's a footprint there.